I have waterborne paint, I get it on there, the color looks good and everything else. Now how do I get that to dry so my production stays up? I have to increase the airflow going across it. And that's what we have in front of me right here today. And we have, what this is SATA, the dry jet. It's on a stand with 2 guns. These are handheld units. And the idea behind them is that I go ahead and have air pressure going into it, and then that, on a Venturi effect, then pulls air into the back where we have a screen, and then multiplies that air about 12 times. So if I put 29 pounds in, which seems to be the best working pressure, then it's going to multiply that, and this is going to be a soft air blow, kind of like a hair dryer, going onto that panel. We'll set this at maybe about 39 inches off of the panel and at an angle so that the air coming down at the panel bounces and pulls the water away. If I blow straight into it, it pulls the water out and blows the water right back into the panel. It actually takes very long for it to dry. Now I want to stay in that 29 to 35 pounds. We found this to work very good. If we get up to around 60 pounds, it actually skims the panel over, and now all of a sudden it reverses the dry time because we have trapped water inside. So if I back off the 29 pounds, then on these units they only take 8.2 CFM per handheld unit. Now that doesn't sound like a whole lot of air. Now let's picture how much air can I do with 2 blowers. I might be able to do a door, maybe a fender. Could I do a whole front clip? No, not necessarily. So I might have to have 2 of these stands, one on each side of that vehicle, doing that front side, doing the fender and the hood, to go ahead and blow that dry. When I do that, now it's 8.2 times 4. Now we have to ask ourselves, do we have enough air to run that? Because if I have a small compressor and I don't have enough air, I'm not going to have enough air coming out of here. It won't be the 29 pounds, and it could be dropping down to 15 pounds, which is going to really slow that evaporation of the water, pulling it out of here.